Magandang hapon po ng Friday, December 8, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Friday, December 8, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng December 8, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Friday, December 8, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 208 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 21 million pesos for December 8, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, December 8, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.